Welcome to Christ College, Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Umintri rangba ukonrat ke sangma haga khanri terik ujimang ulapli ke office Treikam jong ke company Sirobilt Software Services Private Limited kabana Amerika ha Information Technology Park IT Park Mawdiangdiang New Shillong. Umintri rangba ulong ke jingwan Rung jong ke Sirobilt Meghalaya kan plila iki Samla ki balapintipit ha ki kam IT bantre ban kta kani ke company. Ulay thuru dunalais pangut ki Samla and Treikam ha kini ke company bahkan pelilat iki Samla ke Meghalaya bantri ha ki tanat baper jong kini ke company. Ke Sirobilt kadi ke company ke basan Treikam na kini ke jaka bat minta ke IT Park Phase 1 kala daplut uloong. Uloong grup ke sorkar ke ai ke jingkershan bepura na ke benta ki Samla bantri ha kini ki IT company. Da ka jingwan Treikam kum kini ki company ki Samla ki yo kalat ban trei ban kta kat kum ki jing start jong kini ke juk menta ula ben rap. Umintri rangba ulay thu ka jing penyar ya ka IT Park shaka Phase 2 kan plelat iki Samla ban trei hagi phang jing tip bepunjat ki bakan thup ya ki digital technologies, artificial intelligence, blockchain but cloud computing. Ulay thu ru ka sorkar Meghalaya kan kershan ki Samla ki banstang ye ki kamlajong ha kini ki phangjing start bat kan ai bai sengru ye ki ha ki business information technology. Upen pau ke jing kermen da ke boong ki Samla ke Meghalaya ki di bantur syakmat ban shim kabu ye ke jing don jeng ki IT company ha ke jela ban yeringkat bat ki Samla jeng ki wei pat kiri ke perthai.
And I'm back here.
Wow.
And so he's from SAP product company, right? So if he's being that kind of a talent, so he's just one example.
Yeah.
So
Nick, to please facilitate the Honorable Chief Minister. I now invite Dr. Sarit Adanki to facilitate.
That's funny. That's it.
I now request Dr. Sarit would go Rajdeep Das, Adalbert Jana Nokbet, and last not the least, Jito Kumar Lapong.
At the very outset, I really would like to take this opportunity to congratulate both Sirobilt Software Services and the entire team and the IT department for really having done this in such a record time. Politicians have this great capacity to slow down things, and therefore I believe that as a political leader, and especially in terms of governance, the best thing we can do is to set the vision, get people who can deliver and do the work, and then just take your hands off and allow the system to work. And I feel that this formula and this kind of governance process that we've been trying to do in the last 7 years has worked a lot. But as I said, I take this moment to give credit to my team. And this has only been possible because of the commitment that our team has shown in the past. If you look at this place, I remember when we had gone to Berkeley many years back. I think it was 2018 end. So when we had gone there, we really did not know, how things are going to move forward. And but we knew where we wanted to go, but we didn't know how. And it started again with just the thought process. And now suddenly, as I said, when we look back in the 7 years and look at the investments, or rather the time we spent, the connections we made, it's all working out. Things are moving in the right direction. Of course, a lot more needs to be done, but I'm very happy to see the way things are changing, and the partnerships that we have started, initiated, are now fructifying, and we're actually seeing things happen on the ground. When I was briefly in the government in 2008, I was the IT minister then. I was under the Chief Minister of late Dr. Khubor, and I was his IT minister. I remember that is a time when I initiated the process of putting up an IT park. I remember our Chief Secretary, he used to be, if I'm not wrong, Commissioner Secretary, or I can't remember the exact designation, but he was involved in IT, and he played a crucial role in purchasing this land as an IT park. So 50% of our population is below the age of 19 to 20, you can say. So 50% of our youth, of our population, is below the age of 20. That's amazing. If India is young, Meghalaya is even younger. And therefore, one of the biggest challenges that is there for us as a government is actually to be able to provide the job opportunities and employment opportunities to our youth. If you look at the graph of the population, you will notice that 0 to 5 is the highest, then 5 to 10, then 10 to 15, and 15 to 20, and then people who are above the age of 45, there are only 6 lakh of us. That includes myself. And therefore, as a government, one of the biggest challenges, it's not just our government, any government in the country today, Government of India for a matter of fact, is working towards different investments in manufacturing sector or IT sector because of the jobs that are required for a country, young country like ours. And therefore the same challenge for us, and we have identified specifically sectors where we know that we have certain competitive advantage in, and our youth have a certain advantage, and we should push those areas. And therefore IT has been identified as one of those areas, and therefore we're investing heavily in it. You're seeing the IT park of the phase 2 coming up right there in front of us. It will be ready within this calendar year, and it'll be, it'll be really a great place, I'm sure. And after that, we're going to go for third phase very soon. And because we expect a lot of things to happen. Not only this, what Raveen Bakshi has mentioned to you, that this entire zone, the new secretariat is coming up right above, and we expect it to complete it within the next 2 years. We have the Unity Park, Unity Mall that's coming up right in front. We have the Skills Park that's coming up. We'll be having the directorates that are going to come up out here. And this place in the next 3 years is going to be completely different place. You will not be able to recognize because of the kind of development that is taking place in this region.